Question 9.4. For which value of values of x is f of x minus f prime x less than 0? So this is our inequality here, and as you can see, we have our f of x and f prime x already. So let's go ahead and put that into our inequality given above. So that is 3x cubed minus 9x squared less than 0. So firstly, let's factor and let's find our critical values to understand how many roots we're dealing with here. So this would be 3x squared into x minus 3 less than 0. But now, firstly, if we have a look at 3x squared on its own, because these are now, we factorize them, we're looking at them individually. So 3x squared, firstly, is a smiley face parabola. So if you were to draw this on a Cartesian plane, just roughly to have an understanding on what this graph looks like, this graph is always above the x-axis. Right, so something like this. So ideally it goes through the origin here, and this is 3x squared. So 3x squared is always greater than 0. That's the point we're trying to make here. So what you can see is 3x squared is always greater than 0, so it can't be less than 0, right? As you can see, it doesn't exist where we're looking at. So therefore, our only answer can therefore be that, okay, x minus 3 is then less than 0, and therefore x is less than 3. But of course, x cannot equal to 0 because of the fact that it exists at 0 for that parabola that we haven't looked. So you have to put a restriction there that x is less than 3, but x cannot equal to 0. Right.